Hi everybody, welcome back to Life on the Run. This is just a very short video of a drawing, just telling you about a drawing I sold recently, and also a pen drawing of Knarseborough which I've just done. Okay, thank you, bye. This is a framed print of a drawing of North Berwick in Scotland that I sold just recently. This is drawing number 1 of a pen drawing that I did of Knarseborough. Followed on through. This is number 2, the second part, number 3, the third part, number 4, fourth part, 5, we're a little bit further, and number 6, the final one.